In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert decimal into fraction in Excel. We'll take your existing decimal values and display them as clean, readable fractions using Excel's built-in number formats. This is perfect for measurements, recipes, engineering specs, or any time a fraction communicates better than a long decimal. The best part is that we're only changing how the numbers look, not the underlying values. So your formulas and calculations will continue to work exactly as before. First, highlight the decimals you want to convert. You can click and drag to select a range, or select entire columns if that's easier. If your decimals aren't next to each other, hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking each cell or range you want to include. Make sure you only select the cells you want to see as fractions. Leave totals or IDs out of the selection so they keep their current formatting. Next, go to the Number section on the Home tab. Look for the format box in the ribbon that might currently say General, Number, or something similar. This is where Excel controls how values are displayed. You don't need to change any data, just focus on that format dropdown so we can tell Excel to present the same numbers in a different way. Now change the format from General to Fraction. Open the dropdown and choose Fraction. You'll see several fraction types such as up to 1 digit, up to 2 digits, or more precise options. Pick the one that matches the precision you need. As soon as you choose fraction, Excel will immediately display the selected decimals as fractions. Remember, this is a display format. Excel keeps the original decimal value behind the scenes and simply shows the nearest fraction based on the option you picked. If you want simpler fractions like 1/2 or 3/4, choose a lower precision fraction type. If you need more exact denominators, choose a higher precision option so Excel can represent values more closely. A couple of quick tips as you review the results. If you see hash marks instead of a fraction, the column is just too narrow. Widen it to reveal the full value. If a value doesn't change to a fraction, it may be stored as text. Real numbers will format correctly, so check for leading spaces or an apostrophe at the start. And if a fraction looks slightly different than you expected, that's likely rounding to the nearest allowed denominator. Adjust the fraction type for more or less precision. That's it. Highlight the decimals, go to number, and switch the format to fraction. Simple, clear, and ready for presentation or printing.